Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Brandon. I'm a community engagement specialist here at Health Empowers, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a delicious yogurt parfait with only 3 ingredients. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so for our yogurt parfait, like I said, there's only 3 ingredients and it's very simple. I've already got some Greek yogurt right here, and then my choice of granola, whatever kind you like, it really doesn't matter. And then your choice of fruits. My favorite is strawberry, but you can easily use apples or blueberries or peaches or whatever you have laying around the house. You can also sub in for fresh. You can sub in frozen fruits as well, or canned fruits if that's what you have. So the first step is going to be to move all of this out of the way. And my strawberries have already been washed, so the first thing we're going to do is chop those up. Alright, so now that I have my knife and my berries ready to chop, I want to take just a moment to make sure that we all feel comfortable with chopping. The first thing we're going to do is, of course, after we wash our fruit, we're just going to peel the tops off of these strawberries like so. And if you notice, my fingers are kind of tucked back into the fruit so that if the knife ever gets too close to my fingers, it's hitting my knuckle right here and not my nail bed down here. Okay, so I'm just going to chop the tops off of all of these. And then from here, we're just going to chop these up into little slices, just like that. Whatever thickness you want, it's really up to you. So the main thing for this fruit parfait that I love so much is that you can really make it your own. Now, like I said, I'm choosing strawberries. Strawberries have a lot of antioxidants, which are good for heart health, and blueberries are the exact same way, and those are my 2 go-tos. But any fruit is really going to give you a lot of nutritional components and are going to have what we like to call natural sugar. Instead of added sugar, this is sugar that is naturally in the fruit already. Okay, so we have our strawberries all chopped up. We're just going to put these back in this bowl right here. And then we're going to begin to construct our yogurt parfait. Alright, and for any parents that are watching this, this is a great recipe to have the kids help with. The granola that I get is sometimes in big chunks like this, and it's great to just kind of break that up into the granola. And we're going to make a couple of layers. So we're just going to add some granola on this first layer. And then we're going to put a couple of our strawberry slices in here. This is a great recipe to get the kids to help with. It's very, very simple, and they get to sort of make a mess, which is what kids seem to love the most. And then I'm just going to come in with a little bit more of my yogurt to cover that layer. Just like that. We're going to repeat the exact same step that we just did. If I don't miss the bowl, cover that layer, add some more strawberries on top, and there we go. We've got our own homemade yogurt parfait. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, this is just a really simple and fun recipe that you can make for yourself, or you can make with the kids. Like I was saying earlier, it's really easy for them to make as well, and it gives them the time to play with a lot of different food textures. And altogether, I think this cost me right at about $5. I think $4.86 to purchase the yogurt, the strawberries, and then a little bag of granola as well. And this will make multiple bowls of this. I hope y'all enjoyed this really simple recipe that can be made with you and your families. And until next time, we'll see y'all back here for more Health Empowers cooking videos. See ya.